Hey guys, it's Jen from beautyriotx. Today we're talking about products from 2017, or that I've just tried in 2017, that I just thought were total fails. Disclaimer, I'm not saying I don't like any of these brands that I'll be talking about. It's just certain products from certain brands that just didn't fly with me. Products that just stood out as yikes. And I know some people like have a problem with these kind of videos, like they're like, oh, that's so negative, you're complaining. But personally, I think that first off, YouTube is a place for you to share those opinions. People might want to know. I think telling people what you don't like is just as important as telling people what you like. I think there should be just an array of opinions, and I think that's what YouTube's all about. These products didn't work for me. If they worked for you, if you've tried one or a bunch of these and you love them, that's fantastic. You didn't waste your money. Unfortunately, I did not feel the same. So without further ado, let's get into this. Right before I did this is the second eye look I did today because the first one I hated so much, it like ruined my day. I wish I could include that look in the worst of 2017. All right, so let's start with CoverGirl. This is the Vitalist Healthy Elixir Foundation. I love this for filming. I hate this for anything that requires me to wear it longer than the amount of time it takes for me to film. This made my skin feel so greasy and heavy. Oh my god, this broke apart on my skin and made it look scaly almost. It was just bad. It was just bad. I love the way it looks on camera, but I hate the way it looks in real life. The next is the bane of my existence. I made a video about this. It was a try-on video and like I tried it out. First impressions, I hated this. This is the Farsali Unicorn Essence Skin Enhancing Antioxidant Serum. Right off the bat, I'm confused by the title because is it an essence or is it a serum? Because those are two different things. You can either use it as a primer before your makeup or as like an essence or serum, whatever the hell they were talking about, like as part of your skincare routine. This is $54, so I was determined to use the shit out of this. Oh my god, this is basically a $54 bottle of really pretty water. This dried my skin out. It's supposed to be moisturizing, that's what it says. It dried it out so bad. Like I've heard people say, my throat's parched. I'm really thirsty. My skin actually just went from looking fine to so incredibly dry, it was unbelievable. I do not think this is worth the price whatsoever. If you want to try this, they have now like a smaller size to try. Try that before you even attempt to get this. And I used it like as skincare item for months. I saw nothing. This is a very expensive bottle for something that clearly doesn't do much. All right, the next is, these are the Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink liquid lipsticks. Their color range of these is unbelievable. These colors are gorgeous. I have the color Lover and Escapist. These are the most uncomfortable drying lip products I've ever used in my life. It feels like I'm putting glue on. Even when it dried, it didn't dry to the point where I felt comfortable. It felt heavy and cakey and thick, and I couldn't wait to take these off. Who's getting who? Whenever you buy stuff, you want to love it. I mean, you don't want to waste your money on stuff. So again, I really wanted to love this. This is the e.l.f. concealer, and it's in the color Fair. My friend Krista warned me about this. When I think of fair, I think of a very light color. Like, this is darker than my skin tone, and I am not fair. Like, I'm not like that alabaster white fair color. This actually is very dark like this, but then it oxidizes to like a taupe brown color. Nope. All right, the next, again, I had super high hopes for this. This is the NARS lipstick in Orgasm. Orgasm, that gorgeous cult classic blush that everybody raves about. It's like the OG of life. Well, when they came out with the lipstick, I was like, holy shit, like I need to try it. And I think it was like a perk for Sephora. I didn't actually buy this, thank God, because I would have been super pissed. This is basically just a slightly peachy, slightly shimmery gold lip balm. If you make an Orgasm lipstick to follow up or go with your Orgasm amazing blush, this better deliver and be opaque as shit. This wasn't. Ugh, the next, again, I'm so upset. ColourPop is like my jam. I love everything ColourPop. Once in a while, there are things I don't like, but this was like a killer I don't like. This is the ColourPop Crystal Liquid Highlighter, and it's the color Aquamarine. I have all of their liquid highlighters. All of them are gorgeous, except this one. They all have that really pretty, kind of perfect liquid highlighter consistency. Not this bad boy. This not only is iridescent, which, I mean, will make you look crazy, but this has the consistency of a very inappropriate liquid that I will not say on screen. Let's just put it that way. The next is by Too Faced. I was so excited about this. This is the Too Faced Love Light Prismatic Highlighter in Ray of Light. It's baked. I should have known. This, and I even scraped the shit out of it to get underneath all the baked badness that usually stops you from seeing like some bling. When you see Love Light, Ray of Light, I think like magical highlighter. Magical. Like there's nothing. There's something, but there's basically nothing. It looks like a slightly, it looks like a setting powder with a slight sheen to it. That's it. Nope. All right, the next is a eyeshadow palette. Again, I know people love this. This is the BH Cosmetics Galaxy Chic 18 color baked eyeshadow palette. Again, I should have known baked. I'm not down with baked stuff. This, also, no pigment. Like, blends away. Nope. And you know what? I don't want to have to destroy my makeup to get to the good stuff. I don't understand the whole baked thing. Like, you're not giving us the full bang for our buck. All right, the next is, everybody's gonna gasp. It's the Wet n Wild Mega Glow Highlighting Palette. This is like a weird gray blue. This is like kind of a dirty gold color. And this is actually a matte powder with a few like specks of glitter in it. This is almost like the only one that has like the original highlighter formula. The rest just feel weird. I didn't get it. All right, this is actually a current one that I just tried not long ago. This is the Maybelline Metallic Lip Kit. You have a matte lip color here, and basically like an eyeshadow here that you like tap on your lips to give this cool effect. Like I said in my other video that I talked about this in, basically this is only good for the minute you put it on, because the minute your lips touch, you just blended everything together and now you have like this weird metallic lip going on that just makes no sense. I don't know who in their everyday life could wear this. For editorial purposes and pictures, this is probably pretty cool because they have a few different colors for it, but this is 10 bucks. The next is again by Too Faced. This is the Unicorn Tears, I think it's the La Creme lipstick. It's a beautiful formula. It feels really nice like their other ones, but this looked so stupid on me. Like, and it almost makes your lips look an icy blue. I don't get it. All right, the NYX, and this kind of felt like it was supposed to be on the lines of, you know, the Rainforest of the Sea water foundation, or I think Smashbox has a water BB cream, and I know MAC has something similar. I thought it was gonna be something like that. This is the Total Control Drop Foundation. This covers nothing. I mean, I feel like this literally turns into water and just nothing. I don't know who's gonna benefit from this. All right, and last but certainly not least, Anastasia Beverly Hills Modern Renaissance palette is completely amazing. I'm totally kidding. This isn't part of my fails for the last year. This is a beautiful palette. I'm just fucking around. So that was it. Thank you guys so much for watching and spending time with me. I hope you enjoyed. Please keep an eye out. I have so much more fun stuff coming out. Please stay tuned. Hit the notification bell if you want to be alerted to when I upload again. And like this video if you enjoyed it. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me, and I'll see you next time. Bye, guys.